Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to have a auto clicker on Android, first thing is just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device, and you will have here this application OP Auto Clicker. So guys, I recommend this application because as you can see, it has over 1 million downloads and a lot of people have used this application. So just simply make sure to install it into your device, and guys, I will put the link on the description for direct download. So just simply go over there and just simply install the app. Now tap on open. Now here tap on accept. And from here just simply tap on this one, auto clicker, and make sure to turn it on. Tap on allow. And from here just simply go back on the top left. And from here, you will have two options. You could either go start a single target mode. So I'm going to tap on it. And from here, we could put where it is going to tap. And now when you tap on this arrow or this mode, as you can see, we could select the interval, the duration, and the click repeat. And from here, you should be able to change some changes. Now, you could also go ahead and do a start multi-target mode by just simply tapping on stop single target mode first and start multi-target. So now from here, just simply tap on the plus icon on the left side and you should be able to have the first click, and tap on the plus icon again and you should be able to have the second click. So guys, you can add as many as you can based on your preferences, and you can also add a swipe. So the swipe will be this one, the emoji hand icon. And you should be able to have the swipe over here. And pretty much you can add as many as you can. And if you want to start it out, just simply select the play button and it will automatically do its job. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and I will do my best to answer them all. Thanks for watching.